Ka Central Scheme Monitoring Committee jong kaseng BGP Meghalaya ha ka khat khandai tarik ujemang aja RPR kala Leit Jurip ya ka jaka yang kali jong ka Isbt ka badan hamoyong. Kani ka committee kala Leit Jurip Hadien Ioh Bun ki Jingujor halor ka jingshnai ka te ka bus terminal. Ubahek habai kre beginong thok bor ulo ong ba kani ka scheme ka dealing ba ka North Eastern Council ka ba palat sa phra klotingka. Ulong ru ba ka committee kamshim la hon satia kani ka jingshna ba nakliang ka committee ka sa pentip ka sarkar pedeng mat kumjuru NEC.
Our main concern is after we have received so many complaints and several complaints from the public, because as I said by our Vice President, the overcharge to the passenger. But our concern is the safety first, the safety of the people. When we have met the Deputy General Manager today, Salsang A. Sama, he had been shown us there are so many leakages been taking place in this building. So this is because this project is funded by the NEC. That is a rupees 48 crores 31 lakhs. We are from the Central Scheme Monitoring Committee. We have been told specifically by our party BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, all the Central Scheme which is implementing in our state, it has to be monitored by our committee. So we are from the committee. I already introduced you, Kong Bernadette. She is the chairperson of the entire RiKhasi Hills as the chairperson of the monitoring committee scheme of the Central Scheme. And Badibit is the senior vice president and also the member of the Central Scheme Monitoring Committee. So we are very concerned for the scheme which is funded not only by the central government, even the state government. Our money should not be drained out. It has to be fully utilized for the benefit of the people of our state and also the safety of our people. Our concern is there are so many passengers coming from outside the states, from the different outside our states, from the different states of our country. Even the foreigners also they are coming. Maybe we have not seen now. But our concern is we have to see that they should not be harassed at any point of time. They should not be harassed. Their convenience, their safety is our priority. We don't want to get the bad name of our state of Meghalaya. Today, if anything wrong happened in this center or any other center, but now we are talking particularly for this center. If anything happened, anything bad names, then the entire thing will be spread throughout the country. Tomorrow, who will be blamed? The state of Meghalaya will be blamed. So this thing we don't want to happen in the state of Meghalaya. Personally, physically, we have come here to see about the substandard work been taken up in this building, in this Isbt center. The safety of our people is our concern. So we are going to take up this one and we are going to sit in our meeting and also report to the central government and also to the NEC who are the funding authority for this center.